Next, I'll demonstrate having multiple applications within groups by adding a buy and sell forum to the Sound Baseball League group. You'll notice that right now there's only one forum and the view is defaulted to that forum. To do this, I'll go to the group homepage and choose Edit this group. Once there, I'll pick the Applications tab and choose Add Forum. First, I'll name the forum and give it a description. You notice I could change the group parent if I wanted to. I'll create the forum as a question and answer to track the buying and selling progress. And we'll save it and go back and view it in the group. Once I go to the Forums tab, you notice now it's Forums and the Equipment Swap forum is there. The thread list is showing posts from both forums. To prove that, I'll post to the Equipment Swap forum. I have a new glove for sale, so I'll add that as a post. Once I've added the description, I'll also add a tag. And then select Post. The new post has been made, and I can go back and see it in the Equipment Swap forum. This section will demonstrate a group owner customizing the group UI based on some implied feedback. Group owners in Telligent Community 5 can define their group's own UI and use the Style Widget configuration options to brand their group's theme. In this scenario, a user has posted that they can't find the rules. The rules happen to live in the group wiki. In order to make them more discoverable, I'm going to put the wiki table of contents onto the group homepage. I'll find the wiki table of contents widget and drag it onto the homepage. From here, I'll rename it and make sure that the header shows. Now that I've done that, you'll see the league rules are right on the home page. It's important for every community owner to engage with their members. An easy way to do that is to have lots of compelling content and ensure that the best content gets a lot of attention. First, I'll show quick posting. Every member of your community will have access to the quick posting feature. In this scenario, Tom, a league manager, has to post an announcement about travel conditions that may interfere with league games. To do so, he'll use the quick posting feature. First you choose a group, and then you choose where to post, in this case the league news blog. We'll grab a title and the content. Hit publish and verify the content. The featured content area of Telligent Community allows you to highlight hand-picked content and focus the attention of your community members from their homepage. Regular members will be able to edit only what they see below the featured content area, so you know it's always going to be visible. You'll notice that the featured content widget is also available for group owners. It will also bubble up content from groups nested below the current level. What I'd like to do now is get some attention on a poll that was recently posted to the community. I need to get some opinions on what the best fields we play at are so we can adjust the schedule for next season. In this case, I'll make it a featured item. Once it's been made a featured item, you'll see it shows up in the group, and it'll also show up on the home page. I'd like to add a little bit more flair. So what I'll demonstrate now is adding an image to that featured content item. I'll browse and pick one from my local machine. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Once the image has been added, I'll verify that it's how I'd like it to look, and click Finish, and then wait for the responses to the poll. Finally, I'll demonstrate some of the new collaboration-focused features of Telligent Community 5.0. Our products have always had a great foundation of individual blogs, forums, file galleries, and most recently, wikis. In this latest release, we've taken great care to make the applications work better with one another to accelerate customer collaboration and reduce your cost. I've already shown how the applications are wrapped up in groups or topics. Now I'll show how the activity stream ties these applications together and give an example of how this grouping can benefit two or more of the applications working together. Let's talk about the activity stream. It plays a central role in tying together all of the applications and user activity. Every user has the stream on their dashboard and user profile. It's also defaulted on the group home pages. In this example, I'm signed in as Tom. Let's go look at his stream. At the top of the stream, you can see Tom's most recent message. Then you can see messages from people he's following. You can see he's following me here. The next item is a wiki page that Tom himself has edited. You can see this example has a 4 showing that it's been edited 4 times. In this release, we group related activity items together so that they don't clog up the stream. There's also a Messages tab, which lets you filter just to the status messages from users and replies. Here you can reply to this status message from Josh. And finally, update his own status message again. Now we'll go view my profile as Tom. From this view, you can see one of the new options we've added to the release. It's called Following. You can follow users without having to declare a friendship. You could also use it to keep activity from your noisier friends out of your modern-day inbox and unclutter your life. Now we'll go through a common support scenario. I've asked a question about what fields allow metal cleats. Another user is answering that question using the new quick reply feature that saves him time and allows him to participate in more discussions throughout the day. Now we're signed in as Tom again, who has permission to mark replies as answers. Because this is valuable information, he also wants to make sure it's captured in the League wiki like a FAQ article. To do this, he'll use the new Capture to Wiki feature that links forum posts to wiki content. You can see it's automatically created the wiki page. First he'll choose a parent page, and then retitle it. You could also edit the content after adding a new title. The page has been saved as a child of the Field Rules article. A link has also been created between the wiki page and the forum thread. Let's go back to find that thread in the forums. You can see that it's been marked as answered, and if you view the thread, a link has been created for new users to let them know that more information may be available in the wiki. Thank you for taking the time to watch the Telligent Community 5.0 introduction video. I hope you'll agree that we've added some great features that will make it simpler for you to brand, grow, engage, and collaborate with your customer community. If you'd like to learn more, please visit Telligent.com and contact a sales professional via the